on this video I'm going to review this Seagate SSD, you can say hard drive. So friends, before we review this, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, this is Seagate basic. There is multiple of Seagate hard drive. Example, like I have here the black one, but under it there it's here it's written one touch, but here it's written basic. So there's multiple of choice, example like multiple features or multiple specifications under this Seagate company, or you can say model. Okay, there's different type of models. And friends, but I'm not talking about this one touch, I'm talking about this basic. So let's review this basic, but I have completed this one touch also, complete to review. If you want to watch, then you can watch under the link description, I have given it. So let's talk about this Seagate basic hard drive. So let's start.
Certainly, the Seagate Basic 445TB is a reliable external hard drive that offers ample storage space for files and data. So let's dive into some reviews. Firstly, let's unbox it. After unbox, I'll show you how to use it on laptop and computer. I buy this drive under 12,000. Now let's check under the box. As you can see here under it, there are two things. First one is drive and another one is cable wire. Seagate Basic Terabyte external hard drive at HDD graphite grade USB 3.0, and your warranty that you're getting is 3 years. It certainly sounds like you are describing a compact and affordable device with a lightweight and minimalist designs. If you have any doubt or need more specification, just feel free to ask me. The Seagate Basic external hard drive is absolutely a reliable choice for extra storage. The USB 3.0 connectivity ensures convenient use for desktop use, whether you're backing up your Windows computer or freeing app space. This hard drive is a worthy choice. Exactly. The Seagate Basic external hard drive offers straightforward functionality. No need for backup software or installation. Just drag and drop your files. It's simplicity at its best. Let's go ahead and connect to laptop. First of all, friends, if you want to connect your laptop, here you have to insert this cable wire to drive. Then after that, you have to turn on your laptop. Here I have inserted it. Now let's join it to laptop. You just need to insert this way. If this way not, then this way. Then here let's check under the laptop. Here the option will enter like this. Then from here you have to check this Seagate Basic, then only you can transfer the files, or you can say just transferring the file from laptop to drive. Okay, now friends, I'm just going to transfer files from computer to drive, because we have done from laptop to drive, then now computer to drive. Here it's turned on, it means the white light will shine under the drive. Okay, so right now here is my laptop and it's turned on, and now let's transfer the files. You just need to move on the file. After this, from here you can transfer it. Okay, if you don't know, then you can follow these steps. And friends, when it's transferring, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So here you can see the Seagate Basic. You have to choose the Seagate Basic drive. Then here the transfer will start it. Okay, this is the way how you can transfer your files from laptop or computer to drive. If you need maximum storage for your desktop, then this drive is an excellent choice. If you want to buy, you can check the link on description.
And friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.